Start earning up to $450 with less than 30 minutes of work per day with this affiliate marketing method. And no, you don't need to have to create your own website or have any technical skills in marketing. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can earn a lot of money with this income stream. Now, literally anyone can set this up and use this income stream because it's that simple. In this video, I'll give you a complete and step-by-step tutorial on how you can start to earn your very first online dollar through affiliate marketing, of course. So make sure to pay attention to it in every second of the video because I'll show you exactly how to do that. But before we start, hey guys, and welcome to EarnPal, where we teach you how to make money online every single day. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start to make things happen. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you ever have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, do not be shy and just leave a comment. Now let's get back to the video. For this method today, I'm going to be using the health and fitness niche just because of how popular and how invested people in this market are. Because when it comes to health, it's a really good thing to invest in, but you can use any other niche with this method. Maybe you have more familiarity with other niches that are equally well known. You definitely use that, it's completely up to you. So first, we're going to start off in Google. And in Google, we're going to look for an article that we can use to help promote our product. Okay, so one of the most well-known healthy practices that a lot of people do when they want to live a healthier lifestyle is to trade in their usual everyday snacks for healthier ones or healthier options. So in Google, I'm going to search healthy energy snacks. And you'll see here that there are a few articles that come up from the results. You can choose from any of these articles, and I'm going to go with this one right over here. And you'll see that this is an article showing healthy snacks ideas. Now, we're not going to be commenting affiliate links in the comments section, but we're going to be using this article to promote our affiliate product. Because this article talks about healthy snack options, people will be more interested to buy in your products that are related to this article. People who have read this article might be seriously considering to make a healthier choice and to follow the tips given by the article. So if you have a product that is connected to this particular niche, you can get a higher chance of getting people to click on your link. So now that we have our article, you can now look for an affiliate product with an affiliate link. Now, the best place to find affiliate products are on ClickBank. For those of you who aren't familiar with ClickBank, it's a website that will give you affiliate marketing links in almost any niche. To start off with ClickBank, you're going to want to create an account. Once you have done that, you'll head on over to the marketplace, and then you will see on the left side here there are different categories that you can go through. Now, since our article is all about health and energizing snacks, we're going to want to find a product that fits into that category. So if we head on over here and we click on the health and fitness category, you'll see that it goes into several subcategories. So for healthy snacks, I think that can be under nutrition. So you'll see here that there are several products available for you to promote. So you can scroll through these products and choose anything that you would feel would be a good marketable product. I want you to look for a product that has something to do with healthy meals or snacks, because that's the content of the article. Of course, you can always search for keywords up in the search bar provided by ClickBank, but I'm just going to use this one right over here. And I think that this would be a great product to go with the article that we just found. So all we have to do once you have our product is to click on this button on this side that says promote, and another window is going to pop up. So in this new window, if it doesn't automatically put in your account, you can go ahead and type that in right over here. The tracking ID is optional, and then you can just click on generate top links. So you're going to see the link right over here, and you can easily copy the URL by clicking the copy button right here. Now that we have our article and we have our product, we need to get our article to give us our projected traffic. Now, what is targeted traffic? Targeted traffic are site visitors who are within a specific qualification. By using our article to sell our products, we can get quality traffic because it attracts a certain crowd. And what I like about quality traffic is that we can get the type of visitors who will most likely be interested in our product. Now, how do we do this? It's very simple. All you have to do is head on over to this website by clicking on the address bar of your browser and typing in www.sniply.com. Don't worry guys, this method works worldwide, so you do not have to go through the trouble of setting up a VPN, because wherever you are, this will work for you. So wherever you are right now, this method is 100% going to work for you. But I'm curious guys, what country are you watching from? Comment down below what country you are watching from so that I will know where my viewers are coming from. Now, what is Sniply? Sniply is a simple tool that shortens links and allows you to overlay your own custom message onto any piece of content, creating an opportunity for you to include a call to action with every link you share. If you don't have an account already, there are a few ways you can sign into Sniply for free. You can use your Twitter or Facebook accounts, or you can just use an email account. Now, a quick suggestion right here is that you create a new dummy email account to register on this website. That's only because these websites tend to send promotional material into your email, and these promotional materials might end up flooding your personal or private email, and you might lose focus of more important emails. That's why I personally use a dummy email, and I recommend that you guys do it too. Now, once you've created your account, this is what it's going to look like. So all you have to do is copy the URL of the article that we had earlier and paste it into a bar right here. That says enter URL. After that, we're going to click create snip. Now, you'll see here on your right side, there's going to be a preview of what your snip is going to look like. And what this actually is, it's a button that you can customize, but generally what we're going to be creating is a CTA or call to action button. You can easily customize this and you can put a message here. So let's say have our message say more amazing recipes, and for the button text, let's just leave it at click here. And of course, your affiliate link goes right over here, and just like that, you'll see that your CTA button is now active. Now when we open up the article, I'll do it on a new tab so that you can see that it's actually there. I'll reopen this article and you can see the CTA button that we've just created. So when people read this article and they're interested to see more about healthy food ideas and they click on the CTA button, it's going to redirect them to the products from the affiliate link. Now, it doesn't just stop there guys, there's one more way that you can promote your affiliate link, and that is on Facebook groups. There are a lot of Facebook groups that touch on the discussion of healthy snacks, and you're going to want to go ahead and join like all of those pages. Now what you can do is you can copy the URL of the article and post it onto the group pages related to healthy snacks. Now this isn't anything like spam at all. When they click on the link that you posted, they'll see that it's an actual article and there is no spam. But when those people see that CTA button and they click on it, that's when you'll start to earn money over and over again. And that is the end of today's video. Before we go, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell so that whenever we post a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. Also, do not forget to smash that like button and leave a comment down below because it helps us tremendously, and thank you so much guys for all the support that we've been getting lately. I'll see you guys in the next video, which will be tomorrow as always.